Welcome to Slow-Paced Listening Practice. El día de hoy vamos a tener una lectura. Look at the pictures. Now look at the phrases carefully. Meet, arrive at, buy books, wait for, take money, have a drink, tell a story, look at. Are you ready? Match the pictures with the words. You can pause this video if you need more time. Let's check answers. Meet, arrive at, buy books, wait for, take money, have a drink, tell a story, look at. Now we're ready. We can start the reading. En TikTok hemos estado practicando present continuous. Te invito a identificar los verbos que encuentres con ing. Here we go. The art game. Jeff, my friend. Andy Tucker says one day, "We aren't making any money. Let's try a new game." "Well, Andy," Jeff says, "tell me your plan. But remember this. I don't want to take money from people. We aren't going to take money from them. They are going to buy things from us." Andy says, "But that's our old game. What's new?" Jeff asks. "We are playing a child's game here. People buy our things for $1. Let's move to Pittsburgh. We can find some millionaires and make a lot of money." Andy says, "Why do you want to go to Pittsburgh?" Jeff asks. "The millionaires in Pittsburgh worked for their money. It's new to them. Now, they want to buy beautiful, expensive things," Andy says. "But what are they going to buy from us?" Jeff asks. "Wait and see," Andy says. After 3 days in bars and restaurants of Pittsburgh, Jeff and Andy meet at their hotel on Thursday evening. "Let's have a drink, Jeff," Andy says. "I know a Pittsburgh millionaire." "Where did you meet him?" Jeff asks. "At a little coffee bar on 12th Street. Pittsburgh millionaires don't like expensive restaurants and bars. We talked and he liked me. His name is Scudder. I went to his house too. He has $12 million in the bank, but he's a new millionaire. Now, he wants to know about good books, the theater, and beautiful art. He wants to be a gentleman," Andy says. "How is he going to do that?" Jeff asks. "He has teachers, and he buys expensive books and pictures," Andy says. "Okay, but what is he going to buy from us?" Jeff asks. "He has a lot of pictures in his house. He has a famous little gold horse too. It's from Egypt, and it's very old. I asked him about it," he said. "There are 2 of these gold horses. I want the other horse, but I can't find it." "We don't know about art, Where can we find a gold horse for Scudder? Jeff asks. Wait and see, my friend, Andy says. On Friday, Andy comes back to the hotel in the afternoon. He has a bag in his hand. Look, Jeff. I was in a little store near here. Look at this, Andy says. He opens his bag. Andy, Jeff says, is this a gold horse from Egypt? It is. It was under some old things in the back of the store. I said to the old man, can I have that horse for two? He said, that's a beautiful thing. Give me 35 and it's yours. What did you give him? Jeff asks. He was happy with 25. And Scudder is going to be very happy. He's going to buy my little horse from you. Why from me? Jeff asks. You're going to call him. You are a famous art teacher. You want to buy his horse. Andy says. After Jeff's telephone call, Mr. Scudder arrives at the hotel. He wants to see the art teacher gold horse. It's beautiful, Mr. Scudder says. It's the old horse from Egypt. Yes. I know about the horse. Now, I want to buy it. I want to put these two horses in a special place in my art school. I can give you 2,000 for your horse, the art teacher says. Never. You can't buy my horse. I'm going to buy yours. Here's 2,500, Mr. Scudder says. Okay, with 2,500, I can buy 2 or 3 pictures for my school, the art teacher says. Now I'm going to have 2 gold horses in my bedroom, Mr. Scudder says. Jeff runs to Andy's room. Andy is looking at the watch. Did Scudder buy the horse? He asks. Yes, he loved it. The money is in my bag, Jeff says. Good. Let's go. There's a train to Cincinnati at 10:45, Andy says. Why? Let's stay in Pittsburgh for the weekend. Mr. Scudder is happy and we're happy. He has 2 horses and we have 2,500. No problems, Jeff says. You are right and wrong. We have 2,500, but Scudder has only 1 horse, he says. Andy, did you take the horse from his house? Jeff asks. But why did you tell me that story about the old man and the store near here? Jeff asks. Okay, because you never want to take money from people. Mr. Scudder had a horse for his money, Andy says. But, Jeff, stop. No questions. Let's go. The train is waiting for us, Andy says. The end. So, what do you think about this kind of friendship? What do you think about this guy's way of living? And I'm also wondering, what do you think about Mr. Scudder? He was so anxious about getting this horse or about becoming this new interesting millionaire in society that he didn't know or noticed that his horse was missing. Leave your opinions in the comments and tell me what text or reading would you like me to share with you. Thanks for joining.